Right, mate. Day 2.
Day 2. Well, we're down day 3, but we'll talk about day 2.
Day 2, yeah.
All right.
Not confuse it.
Yeah, day 2 worked really well actually. Obviously, we had a problem with the Superbike on day 1. So yesterday, the plan was to get straight out on the Superbike, make sure that we'd ironed out all them issues. The Superbike's behind me, and it was all good, to be quite honest. So first standing start, I even stalled it off the line like an amateur, so that was good fun. Yeah, I actually stalled off the line. Everyone gave me a good cheer, so that was fun. 129.3 I think was my standing start, something like that. So that's the first proper lap on that bike, and then second lap 130.7. So obviously really happy with that. It's yeah, the first 2 laps on the bike around the mountain course to do over 130 straight away is pretty good, to be honest. So really happy with the Gas Monkey by FHO Racing M1000 RR. It's working good. We're going to make some small changes to it, but nothing too drastic for tonight. We'll do another couple on it tonight, fingers crossed. I then went out on the Supersport bike, the K2 Trooper Beer by PHR Performance Triumph 765 it is. Worked really well as well. So I did a couple of laps on that on the first night, made some changes for last night, was a big improvement. Going to do a little bit more, see what happens. I think we ended up fastest actually on that. We only got the 1 lap on it because then there was the red flag. Fortunately everyone's okay. But yeah, happy enough. So for day 2, that'll do.
And the course, is there some areas that are smoother and some areas that are bumpier?
It's all bumpy.
It's all bumpy. So
you know yourself, you've been around here. But it's yeah, I mean everyone's complaining about bumps and I don't really know why, because it's always bumpy as hell. The new tarmac's nice. Doesn't really make it any faster. I keep getting asked, like, does a new tarmac make it faster? Because will it be this? Will it be that? Yeah. New tarmac generally is smoother, but it doesn't make it any faster. It just makes it more comfortable. Bumps don't really slow you down. They just make it uncomfortable more than anything. So, you know, speeds-wise won't really change. I think it will. I already said before coming here that I didn't think the speeds would be any slower. People kept telling me I was wrong because we'd not been here for 3 years. But I think already night 2, over 130 mile an hour, nearly 131. I think we've already proved them wrong, but yeah, it's the course is in really good nick. I'm actually quite happy with how the course is set out. There's been lots of improvements by the organisers. We've got big light boards now, so like MotoGP spec light boards and stuff for red flags and yellow flags, and everything's looking really good.
Cool. One of the questions we were asked was about the wings on the BM. It's difficult to compare wings with and wings without, because it's been so long that you've rode without wings.
To be honest, I can't really tell. It doesn't seem to make much difference. In theory, we should be slower because we've got more drag. Obviously, that's creating drag. Having said that, I think on the Superbike last night I did over 196 mile an hour down Sulby, so I guess we're not any slower. Apart from that, obviously they help with less wheelie. It's not really a place where you wheelie a lot anyway here at the Highland TT. You're going so fast, you don't really accelerate too hard, and it's the acceleration. Fast, hard acceleration is what creates wheelie. You don't really have that here. You have big jumps instead, and yeah, it's not really affected anything. I think the theory was when we were in the air, it was going to push the front of the bike down, but to be honest, it doesn't do that at all. So yeah, not really noticing a massive effect by the wings. But then I haven't got a bike with and without on a big bike, so it's always the same feeling. Because even the stockers running the wings, because obviously they come stock.
All right, mate. Good luck tonight, and we'll catch up tomorrow.
Thank you.